India today is celebrating the National Sports Day with grandeur and enthusiasm, from paying tribute to hockey wizard Major Dhyan Chand to unveiling world-class sporting infrastructure. The day showcased the nation's commitment to nurturing champions of tomorrow. On the occasion, Union Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia joined athletes and youth in reaffirming India's commitment to a stronger sporting future.
New Delhi witnessed a grand celebration of National Sports Day 2025, marked with tributes, sporting events and infrastructural boosts for athletes. The day began at the National Stadium, where Union Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia paid floral tribute to hockey wizard Major Dhyan Chand, in whose honor the day is celebrated. Later, the spotlight shifted to Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, which hosted the central celebrations. The event was graced by eminent athletes including Deven Jhajharia, अंजू बॉबी जॉर्ज, सुमित अंतिल एंड प्रवीण कुमार।
मोदी जी ने फिर से देश में एक स्पोर्ट्स स्पिरिट डेवलप हो, हमारी विरासत से प्रेरणा लेकर देश को एक अग्रिम तबक्के में स्पोर्ट्स सेक्टर में ले जाने के लिए देश में खेलो इंडिया मुहिम चलाई, देश में फिट इंडिया मुहिम चलाई, देश में बेस्ट स्पोर्ट्स इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप हो, इस दिशा में कार्य चालू करा। देश में एलिट एथलीट के लिए टारगेटेड ओलंपिक पोडियम स्कीम चालू करी। दोस्तों, स्पोर्ट्स सेक्टर में रिफॉर्म करते हुए देश में एक बेस्ट स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसी यानी कि खेलो भारत नीति लास्ट महीने में घोषित करी गई, और चौथा रिफॉर्म के रूप में आपने अभी लास्ट पार्लियामेंट सेशन में स्पोर्ट्स गवर्नेंस बिल पारित करके देश को आने वाले 10 साल में दुनिया के 1 से 10वें क्रम में एक स्पोर्टिंग नेशन के रूप में देखने के लिए अपना संकल्प को सिद्ध करने की दिशा में कार्य करा।
On this occasion, Sports Minister inaugurated a newly installed Mondo track at the stadium. Known as the official surface of the Olympics and other major events, Mondo track is designed to enhance athlete performance and reduce injury risk.
I look at this track as a fantastic investment that India has made in their athletes, not just the athletes of this generation, but the athletes who will be inspired in the next generation to see the performances that happen next month.
Adding to the significance of the day, Sports Minister also met 5 houses of the Sports Authority of India, each named after veteran athletes as a tribute to their legacy. Various sporting events and activities were organized at the JLN Stadium to honor Major Dhyan Chand's unmatched contribution to Indian sports. Sports Minister himself participated in the sporting events organized by Sports Authority of India to create awareness about fitness and sport. National Sports Day is not just a tribute to a sporting legend, but also a reflection of India's growing commitment to building a stronger sporting ecosystem. Narayan Singh's report for DD India, Delhi.